Imagine a company where every single employee, from engineers to office staff, is effectively worth $117 million in market value. A company that has seen its stock price surge over 460,000%. That company is NVIDIA. And as of early 2026, it has become a $4.24 trillion juggernaut. But here is the kicker. NVIDIA isn't just a chip company anymore. It has evolved into the single choke point for the entire global artificial intelligence revolution. Whether it's ChatGPT, self-driving cars, or massive weather simulations, almost all of it runs on NVIDIA. Today we are going behind the scenes to look at their business model, their insane financial growth, and the risks most people ignore. So here's the question: is NVIDIA unstoppable, or is there a crack in the armor? Let's dive in. To understand NVIDIA, you have to understand its founder, Jensen Huang. He started the company in 1993 with a simple idea: computer graphics. For decades, if you were a gamer, you knew NVIDIA for its GeForce cards. But behind the scenes, NVIDIA had a secret weapon: their unified platform strategy. They realized something powerful. The same technology used to render video games could also process massive amounts of data for science and artificial intelligence. And then everything changed. In fiscal 2026, revenue didn't just grow, it shattered records, reaching $215.9 billion. Today, NVIDIA operates in two worlds: graphics about 10%, compute and networking nearly 90%. They didn't just grow, they transformed from a gaming company into the backbone of the AI economy. So what exactly are they selling? The answer is the engine of AI itself, Hopper and Blackwell. Think of this as the engines powering the AI revolution. But here's the real advantage. They don't just sell chips. They sell the entire system. With technologies like Spectrum X and NVLink, thousands of chips can work together like one giant brain. And the numbers reflect these dominance. Data center revenue $193.7 billion for the full year, growth 68% year over year, even after the massive 2025 surge. This isn't just a product, it's an ecosystem. The financial juggernaut. Now let's talk about numbers, because these numbers are almost unbelievable. 71.1% of gross margin. That means for every dollar NVIDIA earns, they keep most of it. Revenue $215.9 billion. Net income $120.1 billion. More than half is pure profit. And it gets even crazier with just 42,000 employees. They generate $5.14 million per person. More value than almost any company in the world. And leadership? Highly incentivized. The CEO's pay is roughly 95% performance based, which means they only win when the company wins. The hidden strategy. Now here's something most people completely miss. NVIDIA isn't just supplying AI companies, they are investing in them. For example, they have poured billions into CoreWeave, recently adding another $2 billion to their stake. So when CoreWeave grows, NVIDIA wins twice. One, by selling the chips. Second, and owning a piece of the customer. By early 2026, they have invested $17.5 billion into the AI ecosystem. They are not just riding the AI wave, they are building the ocean. Risks and future. But it's not all perfect. There are real risks as well. The biggest one is geographic dependence. In the latest 10K, international revenue shifted from 41% to just 31%. That means more reliance on the US market, likely due to trade restrictions and AI export controls. Other risks include geopolitical tensions, especially regarding manufacturing in Taiwan, supply chain complexity for the Blackwell ramp up, rising competition from custom chips at big tech firms. Final verdict: NVIDIA is a once in a generation company. It sits at the center of the biggest tech shift of our time. With the $62 billion in cash, low debt, and massive dominance, it has the power to lead for years. But as governments tighten control over AI, the very power that made NVIDIA dominant could also bring new challenges, and that's what makes this story just getting started. Subscribe to Dr. Uma's Finance Lab for more deep dives into the 10Ks shaping our future. Thank you.